I am Dr. Sathya, working as assistant professor in Department of Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss one nice case study about the batteries. So the batteries are a significant invention for electrochemistry and energy storage. So it's very play a vital role in our day-to-day life, from small gadgets, watches and mobile phones, laptops, from to the large systems like UPS, electrical vehicles and all things. So we'll discuss one by one. What is the battery are used in everyday life? What is the importance like that? Okay, tell me the introduction about the batteries.
Hello, I'm Devasit of CSE IoT first year. Today we are going to see about batteries. Batteries were invented in 1800s by Alessandro Volta. The batteries are the main electrochemical devices used in day-to-day lives. In the recent times, the batteries use and they store electricity by converting chemical energy to electrical energy. The batteries are being very vital and very important in day-to-day life, like from smartphones and electric vehicles to larger electric efficient systems. The batteries are very important nowadays. Because of batteries, the future will be very clean and electric efficient. From the past 10 years itself, we can see the growth of batteries in our day-to-day lives.
So we discussed what are the type of batteries are going nowadays. So what about the lithium-ion batteries?
I am Dr. from IoT department. First year, I will explain the lithium-ion battery. Today, lithium-ion battery is a technology that powers most of our modern devices, from smartphone of electric vehicles. Lithium-ion battery works moving lithium ions between anode and cathode during the charge and discharge, storing energy efficiency. They are lightweight, reusable, and have a high density, then ideal for electronic devices and electric vehicles. For example, Tesla uses lithium-ion batteries in its electric vehicle and power systems. Enables the long driving range and renewable energy stored from power grids. The batteries have transformed EV industries and reducing reliance on fossil fuel.
The next one, lead-acid battery. Zinc-carbon battery. Or nickel-cadmium battery, right? Zinc-carbon battery.
Good morning everyone. I am going to talk about zinc-carbon battery. It is a special kind of battery which uses zinc as anode and oxygen as a cathode. So when both they react, they produce zinc oxide and electricity. Okay, this is useful for many workplaces, like it also has many advantages, like it has very high energy density because zinc is useful to it, and it's also very eco-friendly because the zinc is non-toxic, and it also has some advantages because it is not always rechargeable, and the performances also depends on the humidity of the air, and it has some applications like it is useful to hearing aids and electrical vehicles. That's it.
Okay. So the lithium-ion batteries is very important. Always, zinc-carbon battery. So the next one is the nickel-cadmium batteries.
Good morning everyone. I am Abhinami, CSE IoT department. Today we are going to see about nickel-cadmium battery. Nickel-cadmium battery is the first most successful rechargeable battery which is used in portable electronics and industrial applications. It was invented by Walter Jungner in 1899. Nickel oxide hydroxide as anode and metallic cadmium as cathode, and with potassium hydroxide as electrolyte. And it is famously known for its durability and fast charging, and it has ability to work on low temperatures also, and it is widely used in cordless tools, cameras and emergency lighting systems. However, they also have some drawbacks like
Nickel-cadmium batteries.
nickel-cadmium batteries also have some drawbacks like They are heavy and they also have low energy capacity, and also it contains cadmium, which is very harmful for the environment. So because of this, they are replacing the nickel cadmium batteries with lithium-ion and nickel metal hydride batteries.
Okay. In nowadays, some batteries in secondary batteries, we are using nickel cadmium batteries for acting as an anode. It's a nickel cadmium battery. It's a heavy, I think, no?
Yes, ma'am.
In UPS.
Yes, ma'am.
So in replace, we are using now the nickel cadmium, nickel doped with carbon. So the carbon, the graphite, it acts as a cathode. So nowadays the research going on about the nickel with the copper dopant. So in conclusion, in our case study, we explore how the battery will be, technology will be growing rapidly in past few years. So from primary cell to dry cell to nowadays we have electrical vehicles and car battery. So nowadays the research is very well known about the lightweight battery. In some UPS and also the lead acid batteries, is also some disadvantages. Now the research going about the solid state battery. For example, we are using acid in our secondary batteries. It will be some leakage for acid. The salt will be appear in at the top of the layer. So for electrolytic solution, we have used some paste in mixing with 2 or 3 acids and mixing using a paste, and also using research going on nowadays. Thank you.